afternoon. We're in the car. So, alis tayo. I'm just gonna pick up something. And I'm so excited with this one. Oh my gosh. Di ko akalaing I'll get it this year. So, today is Friday. Daddy has work na. Back to work na siya. Hindi ko mahanap yung glasses ko, guys. I don't know where it is. Anyway, it's now 1:30 ng hapon. And yeah, ayun, we're just gonna pick up this one. Before bibili na sana ako nito. But like, I was like, my camera's still okay. Tapos biglang nasira yung screen niya. Hirap mag-vlog. And then, we fixed it. So, sabi ko, ay, okay pa. And then my kuya got it. So, I get to try it. Kasi nung Christmas, he used it sa pag-games namin. And when I tried it, I was like, oh my god, it's actually really good. Like, the color, and but may wide lens pa siya. My kuya used the wide lens that time. And I was like, oh my gosh. And then, meron din siyang beauty filter kung gusto mo lagyan ng filter. And yeah, it was so nice pag hawak mo na siya. Kasi maliit lang siya compared sa, of course, sa actual camera na to. Sa vlogging camera. Ayun, maliit lang. Malalagay mo siya sa maliit mong bag. But yeah, I was like, should I get it or not? And then yesterday, nag-place ako ng order na talaga online lang. And now I'm picking it up, guys. So, you know what I'm talking about. I'm getting a new camera. It's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So, yes. Before the year ends, I'm gonna have a new camera. Yeah, but this camera is still okay. I think malapit na din siya mag-give up, this one. And yung Sony ko, guys, I'm not sure what happened with it. Hindi na siya gumagana. Hindi na siya umaandar. So, I've been using the Canon G7X Mark II. But yeah, ito okay pa. Yung problema ko lang last time was the screen na nasira. And then, yeah, we fixed it. And then it's okay again. So, yeah. Anyway, we're going to pick that new camera. And after that, we're going to Kohl's and Kmart to get something na kailangan sa bahay. And for sure, this girl, may hinihingi na siya, guys, sa akin sa bahay pa lang. Kasi alam niya kasi yung Kmart, alam niya yung Kohl's, kung ano yung mga nandun. May pinabibili na. And I was like thinking, should I go today? If hindi dahil sa camera, kung wala tayong ipipick up, hindi ako aalis ng bahay, guys, kasi nahihirapan na ako maglakad. As in, like, ang heavy na ng tiyan ko. Tapos, like, there's a pressure down there. So, like, parang, pag may pressure, pag may nafe-feel ako there, napapahinto ako maglakad. So, like, pag naglalakad ka in public, you have a big tummy, parang nakakahiya. But yeah, I have no choice. Sabi ko kay Mia, mabilis lang tayo ha. Kasi hindi ko na kaya maglakad ng super long. Or tumayo ng super long. Mabigat na siya. As in. But yeah, we're nearly there. Today is 37 weeks, guys. I am 37 weeks na. 3 weeks na lang, guys. Malapit na. I also wanna go home ASAP. Kasi gusto ko mag-edit. Mag-edit tayo ng vlog. Naglalaba ako today. I'm doing a laundry today. We're walking to the mall. So, doon tayo punta. Yung GP Hi-Fi nandun. Ha?
We can walk far away again when we go back.
No. Have to walk far away. Dito na tayo, guys. Daming tao din. Punta tayo counter. Come on. Ang batang to naghahanap na ng toys dito. Look! What's this? Chucky. Is it scary?
Chucky.
It's Chucky. Alam, Winnie the Pooh. Oh, nice. Yeah.
And
Let's go. May toys pala sila.
Ninja Turtle.
May toys pala sila.
Mama, like Ninja Turtle.
It is Ninja Turtle. That's right.
And look, hi.
This one's Deadpool.
You know this?
Patrick.
Patrick.
Yeah. Look. Moana. Tara, let's go na sa counter. Nasa counter. Oh, what is it? Toys. Yeah, but we're not buying toys here. Let's go, dali.
What is this?
I don't know. May mga Sonic pa pala sila.
Mommy.
Sonic. Okay, come on. Come on.
What is this?
I don't know. Come on. Oh. What is it?
A magnet.
It's just a chain. It's not magnet. Come on. Dali na.
It's a magnet.
Let's go. Andun lang yung cashier.
Keep going, look, keep going.
Ito na guys. Na-pick up na natin siya. So, we have that there. Buha na siya.
No, Mommy, I'm laying down there. Mommy,
You want
put
this? Are you
all
sure?
that- So you put all that in your arm.
Oh, me too. Be careful. 250.
Lay down.
Itong anak ko. Post kami
I don't
guys.
like this, Mommy.
Yeah, it's for mommy. It's not for you.
Something that is
Well, pili din siya. Anong toothbrush yan, Mia? As a princess? Oh, there's Elsa here. There's Elsa here.
like somebody already got that. And I don't
No, I
need
chucked yours. But this one is electric.
electric.
Yeah, the one that make a sound, remember?
You check the Anna one.
I did chuck yours. Do you want this again? Or you just get the other one?
No.
I like the other one. Where is it? The one that you can stand. Remember? At the bottom. Here. The bottom. Huh? There. There's no Santa.
You have to follow my finger.
Ay, the shorts. Yeah, I will. Ito, may shorts. Kaya lang, magusot kasi yung lainin. Gusutin siya, sis. Ay, ang nice niyan. I like that one. Pwede siya pang, kaya lang ang haba. Haba kay mami. Alright, let's go. Dito na tayo sa mga unan. O, diba? Nakabili pa ako ng unan, guys. Oh my gosh, does it fit there, Mia? Oh, it's broken. Okay. Alam, Mia, hindi kasya na sa ating trolley. Put it in my bag. Oh, in that bag. In this bag nga. Kanina pa kami sa Kmart. So, last stop is toys. Naghahanap siya ng toy niya na ipapabilhin. Sabi niya laptop toy. Hindi ko alam ano yung laptop toy. Anong laptop toy, Mia? Come on. Ito na yung mga nabili namin. Ha? Gumbo machine. Yeah, what is that one? Try me. It's actually a gumbo machine. Yeah.
We had to pour some
Here.
gummies in it.
It's lighting up or something. What does it do?
See?
Nothing. Doesn't do anything. Okay, what do you
This
want?
needs something to go in.
Boost juice tayo, guys. Yeah, ripe mango is yellow. How about the color of coconut?
Brown.
Yeah. How about the color of
Avocado.
avocado? Yeah.
Green.
That's right. How about the color of
Pear.
pear? Yeah.
Green.
That's right. How about apple?
You already said that.
Yeah, I'm doing it again. How about apple?
Mommy,
Oh, you want to do it? No, okay. Don't do it again. But we already mentioned a lot of fruits. Oh, you want to view me already? Wow. I think we have 10 minutes pa to get home. Can you? I know. Can you hold it? Okay, we'll hold it. We're nearly home. Naiihi na tayo sa binili natin sa Kohl's, guys. Ito sa Kmart. May binili ako kasi tinapon ko yung old one ko nito. Binili ko yung silicone kasi gusto ko siya i-try. Hindi ko siya bet, guys. Hindi siya naglilinis ng maayos for some reason. So, papalitan ko ulit. Anyway, ito na yung binili ko sa ano yun? Growers na Asian shop. Watermelon lang. And ito yung sa Kohl's. Hala, nadunot ang ating strawberry. Bumili ako dates. Strawberry. Ito yung pinili ni Miyang toothbrush. Peppa Pig na electric. Bumili ako ng coconut water kasi nakasale siya, guys. Mia shampoo. Dalawang Colgate. 4 stocks. And yun, meron na silang binibentang ganito. Ito yung lotion ko before. Yes, I will help you. Ito yung lotion ko before, but since I got pregnant, I stopped using it. Kasi parang may ingredients siya na bawal. Yeah, malapit na tayo mga anak. So, I got one again. But maliit version siya, guys. Kasi yung nabibili ko online from the mga online seller na nagbebenta dito sa Australia, na mga Pinoy din. Malaki. Malaki yun siya. So, ito yung pinabili niyang toy from Kmart, which is the wooden marble run. So, you have to take all of them out, and then you follow them like that. That much easier for you, right? So, there's numbers here, which is the one at the bottom. So, you start from here.
So you give me the black outfit. So
Yeah, let's open first. Help me open all this. They're still in the bag.
yeah. Wow.
Oh, there's an instruction here. So you follow this.
Yeah. I think so.
Here, oh, that's the instruction.
Oh no! Look.
Alright guys, let's do a haul. Ito yung mga nabili ko sa Kmart. Ay, sakit ng legs ko. We have gym ball. O diba, sabi ko hindi ako bibili, guys. Saan ko na naman i-store after?
Look at me.
Ha?
Look at what I'm doing. Look what I'm at. I did it right. This one. This one.
Perfect. Yeah, that's right.
Balance the will be right.
Ini-inflate pala siya, guys. Inflatable pala siya. So, pwede ko siya mabalik dito. So, yeah, I got a gym ball from Kmart. This one's for Mia when she showers. And, ubus yung cotton pads ng Kmart. So, ito na lang natira, yung travel cotton pads nila. So, dinalawa ko na.
Mommy?
Yes?
No. I don't know how to.
And I've got pee-pad. Ubus na yung 100 pack nila. So, dinalawa ko yung 20 pack. Sana sabi ko sa reject shop na lang ako bumili kasi dumaan din kami dun. I've got more undies. So, ito gagamitin ko like sa hospital. And maternity bra. I have maternity bras there. Pero, nag-iba na kasi yung size ko, guys. So, I've got a bigger size. And then, this one's for Mia. Tinanong ko siya kung gusto niya. No daw. Pero binili ko pa din. Ayaw niya to, guys. But yeah, makakonvince naman natin yan siya. So we've got this cute flare pants. And then this dress, ayaw niya din to. So we have this one. Ang cute lang ng kulay kasi. So yeah. Mahaba pa sa kanya to. I've got the size 5. Kasi yung size 4, parang tamang-tama lang sa kanya sa ngayon. So, if ever ayaw niya pa suotin this summer, she can still wear it next summer. So, that's why I've got the size 5 for her. And, just a extension lead. Ayan. I'm washing right now, so, ay, wala na pala. Na-wash ko na. Last load ko na yan. Ay, hindi pa. May puti pa. So, puti yung last load ko. So, hindi ko na ito mag-wash ngayon. Next week na to. But that's okay.
Mommy, look!
Let me see. Aray. Sakit na. Sakit doon. Agoy. What is... Ah! Look! Well done, baby. Can I put something on top? What is it on top?
Ah, it's painting. On the middle.
Yeah? Yeah. Good job, baby.
Let's have the middle.
I'm not sure. Not sure. Bumili din pala tayo ng pillow, guys. Ayan. Yung 2 Supreme Comfort Pillows. Ayan siya. Alright, so ito na guys ang ating pinick up. JB 5. Yes? Okay. And I've got the SD card as well. Ta-da! So, let's unbox this! Mia? Oh my gosh, this is it. Mia, wait lang. Mommy's unboxing the camera. Correct. Swipe right, adjust with the exposure. Huh? Ano, naka-record na? Ay! Naka-record na tayo, guys! Paano ko malalaman na nag-record? Yung nagbi-blink siya, o diba? So, I'm using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, guys. Okay naman siya. Wow, okay naman siya. Ang liit-liit! Oh my gosh! Hindi ko pala paano siya gamitin. So, I have to read the instructions. Natry ko yung kay kuya and yeah, tinuruan niya ako ng basic, super basic. Yung kung saan ka mag-start, paano mag-turn on, yun lang. But yeah, so I think I have to charge the battery. Kunin ko na din siya sa phone ko so I can see myself here. And yes, try natin yung wide lens. Wait. Paano ko ba kayo mapapatayo? Ayan. Ayan. So, try natin yung wide lens niya kung paano to gamitin. Paano to gamitin, guys? This way o that way? This way. Ready? Ayun. Ayun. So, that's the wide lens. Oh my gosh, kitang-kita. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Tapos, pag walang lens, 1, 2, 3. Oh, paano to? Hala. Sorry naman po. Ganyan siya. Sobrang mapit lang niya. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Tapos na yung isa kong load. So, ihahang na naman natin. And then we will go and cook dinner. Yes. So, that's our trying out. We'll try. Na-try na natin siya. And so far, okay naman. Naninibago na naman ako, guys. Tapos, paano to ilalagay sa ano ko? Sa car mount ko. Then, we will see. Bye! Hello people, we are cooking our dinner. So I'm using my Osmo Pocket 3 and try natin siya. Try natin siya. So nagluluto ako ng lemongrass chicken, yung Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. So ito yung itsura niya ngayon. Ay, ang hirap naman mag-vlog. Bakit ganun? Okay. Wait lang, baby. Ayan. Ito na yung chicken. Pina-fry ko siya, guys. Wait lang, Mia. Wait. That's what it looks like. So, piprituhin ko lang siya. Parang mag-brown lang. Actually, dapat chicken thigh yung sa lemongrass chicken. Pero yung gamit ko, yung nabili ko pala, ano siya, breast. Kakaloka. Nakalimutan ko. Kaya, ang bilis nito lutuin. So, ang hirap mag-vlog. Huh? I didn't see. So, ito yung ingredients. We have chili, onion. Or you can use red onion actually. Oh, that's good. You can go up. And bawang. And the most important is the lemongrass. Ganyan ko siya hiniwa. Yung super liit. So, yeah, kasi ito yung nagpapalasa. Lemongrass chicken nga tawag sa kanya. So, ayan siya. And of course, the sauce. So, yung nilagay ko lang dito is 3 tablespoon of sugar and 3 tablespoon of fish sauce. Ayan. So, ito yung fish sauce na gamit ko for now. Ayan siya. And, yan. Nadamihan ko actually ito, guys, kasi iba yung gamit kong fish sauce. Yung isa kasi, parang may control siya dito sa taas. Eh, ito wala. Open na open. So, paglagay ko dito sa ating measurement cup, bigla siyang lumabas ng super dami. So, di ko alam kung 3 teaspoon to. 3 tablespoon. Baka super dami. May hayaan na natin yarn. Anyway, nagamit na pala ni V yung ating coffee machine. Ginamit niya kaninang umaga. Yung ginamit niya is, hot coffee. Kailangan to i-wash eh. So, di ko alam kung i-wash na siya ngayon. But, yeah. So, ganyan. Yung ginamit niya is the Vietnamese coffee na grounds. So, gusto ko matry niya yung iced coffee. Gusto ko din matry yung iced coffee. But, kasi mas gusto ko yung 3-in-1 kaysa yung sa grounds. So, yeah. What? Oh my gosh, nakatayo kayo sa kettle. Bahala na si Batman. Kaya na hindi kayo malaglag dyan, guys. Oh my gosh, ang liit-liit nyo. Ang liit-liit nyo. Naninibago ako. Tapos super far niya. Super far niya compared sa Canon G7X. Kasi pag nandyan yung Canon ko, super lapit niya. Pa din. Ito, walang wide angle lens. Ayan na yung itsura niya, guys. So, tinatansya ko na lang yung lasa. Dapat, siya, parang salty na matamis. Ganun. So, yan. Depende sa gusto nyo. So, ayan na yung itsura. Dinagyan ko siya ng turmeric para mag-yellow siya. Pangpakulay. And, yan. So, ganyan yung itsura. Ayan. So, na-build na namin, guys. So, that's what it looks like right now. So, maglalagay siya ng jaw lens. Jaw lens yan, diba? Can I see that one? Be careful, you're gonna hit something at the end. Show me that one. What are you holding? It's a ball, the jaw lens. Sige na, put the ball over there. Get one. Get one ball. Yung hard ball. Ngayon lang ako nakakita niyan sa Australia. Sa Pilipinas, naglalaro ako niyan before. Over there, baby. Start from there. Yeah, because that's where it is. That's the highest point. Careful, please. 1, 2, 3, go. Where is it going? Ah!
Let's stay. Let's do it again.
Okay. Oh, why did it stay? Oh, it's going this way. Ah! Okay, one more.
Ready?
Maybe it's not even over there. Ah! Oh, there's something wrong there. Wait, let me fix it. There's something wrong.
No, maybe because it's just stuck.
Yeah, it gets stuck there.
So we can't break it. Your face is right over here.
Is it?
Where's your face? See, this is your arm.
Wait lang. Okay, center.
That's what we had to fast. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go! Ah, it's going that way! Yay! Another ball.
It
Go.
can help that one, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Ah, I went to the other side again. Oh, went out. Okay, try again.
Try again. I can focus.
Mm.
I'm ready to focus.
Ah, it keeps on coming on the other side. Try go another one. Try. Yeah! Ah! Yay!
Now, yes. Now I will stand it up.
Well done, baby.
Now it's your turn to push it.
My turn?
Yes.
Why?
Because I love you so much.
Hmm.
And I love my parents.
You love your parents? It's okay, baby. You can do it. I don't want to do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Be careful when you, oh no, stuck again. Yay!
Now can you build that orange one and all the colors? Not this one. Oh yeah, I will build this one. You build the colors. Mom, you know it's so fun.
So fun.
Yeah.
And next time you should build it by yourself. Ah! Yan, naglalaro lang kami ni Mia, guys. Hinihintay ko maluto yung rice kasi yun yung nakalimutan ko lutuin. Luto na yung ulam, pero yung walang rice. Wala tayong rice kasi nakalimutan. Uh-oh.
Oh no, give me roll.
Eto. So, ito yung Jolens sa amin. Pero minsan tinatawag
What's the
namin
other color?
pollen. Hala! That's what I said.
Oh, okay. They said because there's only one.
Okay. Ay, gagalaw kayo kasi nagtatrack. Oh. Okay na. Anyway, let's open this. Gusto ni Mia i-open yung gym ball natin.
Can
Mia,
you help me open this?
your strawberry. Eat this one. Open this now.
Yeah.
Open niya na yung toothbrush niya. Lahat gusto mo i-open, ha? Tapos i-try natin yung, mag-exercise tayo. Mag-exercise tayo. Gym ball. Oh. Ito, may timer daw siya, guys. Yeah, this one has a timer. Yung toothbrush na Peppa Pig, meron siyang 60 seconds timer. Tapos light up timer. Yeah, no, this one. That's the timer. So you have to brush your teeth until that stops. The toothbrush stops.
Stop. That means I'm done?
Yes, correct. Oh, we need to inflate this, Mia. Where's our, I told you to get it. It's outside. Go get it. Saan ba ito ini-inflate? Wait lang. Saan ko ini-inflate? Sis, dito? Ah, okay. siya. Ayan, kay Mia siya nagtatrack. Ah.
Oh.
Okay, let's do this, Mia.
Ooh. And like it steps around.
Ay! Don't do it. Like that. Siya na ba, ano, Mia? I hold it. Okay. Let's try. Will mommy do it? Mommy? Tama ba to? Kulang yung air, Mia. Kulang yung air. One more. One more. It's no. Enough. Mas excited ka pa sa akin. Ayan. Oh. Better? Parang kulang pa din yung air. Ano ba? Hindi daw mag-bounce. Okay, you can try. Mama na to add more air. Tinatrack na naman ako. Bakit? Ah. Pinaggagawa. Okay, let's add more air. I think it's not enough. Come on. Oh, that's not for bouncing ball, Mia. That's for mommy to. Ay, that's for mommy to use. Let's add more air. Hello. Natapos na namin mag-shower ni Mia, guys. Well, actually, kanina pa. Nakapag-dryer. Wow. Nakapag-dry na kami ng hair. And she's busy with my gym ball. Kanina pa siya dyan. Kung gusto niya. I'm just gonna do my skincare. And susuot ko pala yung ano ni Daddy. Bigay sa akin na earrings. Ang cute na lang. Ha? Okay. Ayan guys, oh. Ang cute niya lang. Hindi ko alam pa nakikita niya, but yeah. That's very cute. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. So, I'm just gonna do my skincare. And, hindi ko alam paano i-change yung angulo ng lens. Gusto ko siya na siya pataasin ng konti. But, like, nag-zoom in siya. So, I don't know what to do. But yeah, hinayaan ko na lang na ganyan siya. So, super baba kayo. Kasi wala kayong tripod. But yeah, anyway, that's everything for this vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog today. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribing our channel if you haven't yet. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell below if you guys want to be notified when I upload more videos. And if you want to see this cutie pie, Mia, say goodnight to the people. See you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye guys, like and subscribe to this channel and you want to watch it again. See you soon again. Bye.
Ang galing-galing mo na talaga, Mia. Bye.
Careful, your head.